There's the duct tape repair job. I think it'll hold. The water. Filled. Okay. I know that the waste valve will close, so I'm going to focus mainly on whether the waste valve goes back down. It did go back down with one added bolt to it. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this with a constant stream. So I'm just gonna climb up the ladder and shoot water through it. And if it gets stuck, we still have the same problem. Okay, so right now the waste valve is completely closed. It's not letting any water out. It's not going back down. All the water is coming out of the delivery pipe. I just pushed it down with my finger right now. So it was in the up position the whole time. We'll try that one more time.